we're going to say that we know that there's some level of accuracy and precision necessary with all of our calculations. But when we get an answer, how many digits does that answer have to have? That's when significant figures come into play and play a very important role in deciding the number of digits in our answer. Now, sig figs can be really easy as long as we remember two simple rules. It has to do with decimal places or no decimal places. So let's take a look at these two rules. We're going to say rule 1 has to do with if you have a decimal point. We're going to say if your number has a decimal point, we're going to move from left to right. Okay, so we're going to move from left to right. We're going to start counting once we get to our first non-zero number and keep counting until we get to the very end. Now, rule number 2 is if our number has no decimal point. If it has no decimal point, then you're going to start moving from right to left. We're going to start counting once we get to our first non-zero number and keep counting until you get to the very end. Now that we've seen these two simple rules, let's apply them to these examples.